Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Asynchronous Charlie Brown. Now it's going to be easier to learn a Charlie Brown first. Both of them come off the first move. I'll put a link to the normal Charlie Brown in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at it, or you just need to recap it, then it's going to be easy for you to find that clip. Without further ado, the Asynchronous Charlie Brown looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's break it down. It starts like a standard first move. We go back, we come in. Now instead of doing the twist out, we're going to lead the lady to step forward left, we're going to step back right, we're going to try and generate a little bit of tilt in the process. You could go for the hip, you could go for the shoulder blade, both are going to work. I'm going to stick with the hip for now. We're trying to take as much weight as possible off of the guy's left foot and the lady's back foot, and then we do our Charlie Brown. So we're going to get 1 transfer set, 2 transfer sets and a third one, hold, then the twist out, so we finish the first move off, in, under and face, return and back. So let's look at that from the other side, give the other view and talk numbers. So we go back 1, in, 2, we take our step and set up our lean, generate a nice connection between the torsos, 3, then we get set on 4, 5, 6, hold 7, twist 8, in 1, turn 2, look 3, return 4 and back 5. So let's see if it works with us doing it together. Here we go. I'll count you in nice and slow. 5, 6, Asynchronous Charlie Brown. You go a back, in, prep, 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, pause, twist, in, under and face, return and back. Obviously how many sets you do in freestyle is up to you, very dependent upon the music, so you want to do it so it goes with something in the tune. That's it for this clip. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, so if you like the move, put a like on it. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And hitting the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss one. There's a music recommendation on the end. It's one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video, and it's a tune that would be appropriate to do this too. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.